afternoon and welcome to this edition of Weather with Whittaker. This weather forecast is for the week of July 6th, 2020. Let's get right to business. Now, it is a steamy day out there in the Mid-Hudson Valley. Temperatures right now are in the upper 80s and the relative humidity actually is only in the 30 to 40% range. However, the dew points are in the low 60s, and anytime we see those dew points creeping up into the 60s and 70s, you can feel the moisture in the atmosphere. Now, we could see some showers and storms spark up this afternoon. There's a frontal system that's draped across the southern part of New York State down towards the mid-Atlantic states, and that's providing a little bit of lift and instability. So keep an eye on the sky later this afternoon and this evening, as that instability could cause some extra convection and lead to some downpours and potentially some storms. So you want to keep an eye out for those fluffy cumulus clouds, and once those start to grow, then darken, it could be a sign of a storm to come. So be prepared to seek shelter if necessary. Now, I think for tomorrow we'll see a cooler day, slight chance of a shower or storm passing through, and that's part of the system that's hanging out over the upper Midwest. But really, I think the bigger story is for the end of the week. There's a system draped across the southern portion of the United States. I think that'll head towards the coastal area and then zip up the eastern seaboard and could bring in some precipitation for Friday and into the weekend. So we'll have to see what happens there. But let's talk about this week first and get to your 5-day forecast. So for the rest of your Monday, again, look for hot, sunny conditions. Temperatures are going to be in the upper 80s to low 90s. Again, for tomorrow, I think it'll be a little bit on the cooler side, with highs really only getting into the upper 70s, I think, which will be a welcome relief from the humidity and the heat that we've been seeing. Now, the problem is as you'll see in that 5-day forecast, the low overnight temperatures aren't going to get much below the mid to upper 60s for your Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So it'll be some steamy overnight periods. For Wednesday, I think it'll be partly sunny, chance of showers and storms. Same sort of story for Thursday. I think it'll be a scorcher though, with highs again in the low 90s. And then Friday, again, we'll have to see what happens with that low pressure system. Depending on that track, if it brings in the rain and the extra cloud cover, that temperature could adjust a little bit. But I do anticipate a hot and steamy week. Thank you so much for joining me for Weather with Whittaker. Stay tuned for a special edition of Weather Chats with Whittaker. I'm going to grab my stool and my mug, and this week we're talking about heat lightning.